Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well wherever you are. Today I just want to show you what's blooming here in the garden, especially with the clematis. Most of my clematis here are already blooming and I'm excited to share it with you. So let's start right here. I have planted this clematis last year and look how beautiful it is. This is a Toki clematis. It has a huge flower on it. It's so beautiful. Now let's take a look at the other clematis that I have right there on the water fountain. Look at this beautiful allium right here. So pretty. So in this trellis right here, I have the Nelly Moser. Look how beautiful is the Nelly Moser. The Nelly Moser is about 3 years old in here. And it's really pretty. And on the other side right here, this is HF Young. Love the color of it. And I've added another HF Young on this side right here, but it's not blooming yet. Well, it's still very small. It's down below there, but I can't wait for it to bloom. I think will be next year. And this one here is, let me see, this is, I just planted this as well last year. Look how deep the color is. What's the name of this one? This is Haku Okan. Yeah, this is Haku Okan. Look how beautiful it is. Isn't it pretty? So this is planted last year as well. So I just buy a small container of clematis, about maybe 5-inch container of clematis, and then planted it here, and then in the next year it will bloom beautifully. And my allium is blooming as well down below right here. And I want to show you the other one that I just added this year. This one is Miss Batman. I just planted this early spring, about mid-May, and look how much it crawled all the way to the top already. So this one will bloom next year. And this wall in here, I want this to cover with clematis. So I've added 3 clematis in there. The President, and the other one is a sow, but you can hardly see it. And then these are the other old clematis that I have here. It's starting to crawl on the fence already. Look at the beautiful allium. See, this is another Nelly Moser that I have in here. Look at that, so pretty. This Nelly Moser has been transferred a few times. The first location, it didn't grow well, and then the second location, it didn't grow either. So I found the right location for it, and now it's growing nicely. So that's all about it. Just want to share about my clematis, and soon all my roses will be blooming because I have so many buds in here, as you can see. Oh, I just want to show my columbine too. That's the columbine. And the flax. Well, let's see the flax down below here. I really love this flax. See how beautiful is that. And then there's another one right here. Here you go. That's all I want to share. It's another beautiful day here in the tiny backyard garden, and I cannot wait for every plant to bloom in here. I have all my roses that are ready to bloom. So maybe another week. And oh wow, look at this. This is columbine as well. Look how beautiful is the flower. And look at this is the new rose that I added here in the garden. This is called Perfuma Earth Angel. And look at the buds. It's going to open soon. And another clematis that I planted here too. It's called multi blue. So I made a trellis and a place for it to climb. So it's gonna climb all the way to the top. And on the other side I have the Eden rose in there. This is the beautiful animal flowers. Hummingbird love it. Anyways, that's all for today. I just want to show you what's blooming, especially my clematis here in the tiny backyard. You have a good day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.